Let's see.
And the spy video done well as well again.
Yeah, I saw. I think about 1,000 plus.
Yeah.
Finally.
Plus also a lot of followers. I mean, keep getting from.
Yeah, I noticed.
Yeah. So getting closer.
So I think it's like 200 plus now.
Here and 400 in Discord and
Not bad.
Discord and X and on the way to 500. So it would be nice to
Then
have
just
1,000 here, 1,000 there, and
that'll be the plan, lah.
yeah.
I think that's what we are. No matter what we are going through, like what we struggle, whether it's whatever it may be, whether it's losses or no paid, no subscriptions or what, we just keep on doing first.
Yeah.
I think in the matter of time before we find something that clicks,
Yeah.
Yeah, because you highlighted a lot of things yesterday, which I know for a fact that when it comes to excitement and engagement, those kind of scalping will be the best. But I have not created one that is profitable. I mean, I've created one that's profitable, but one is tiring. Okay, tiring to look for the setups. The other one is stress mentally and emotionally, and I don't want to go through that. Yeah. So I've not created one that whereby I can say, you know what, this is the one where I don't have stress. Besides, except for the one that's now, the trend following is easier to manage the trade. But the one where you scalp on one ticker or two tickers at most, that one is a bit tricky. But if let's say if that's really needed, I have got one strategy. I know how to go about it. You look for one very specific thing. It'll be similar like the Palantir setup I told you at the beginning of the trend, that touch and go back. I have that one in our repertoire. The one I know we can make it work. So there's something else that I can look at in time to come.
Okay.
Yeah, if needed. If not, then preferably not to. So the market looks like it's heading down today. Let's see what happens when it opens. I'm keeping my charts clean for now. Okay, keeping my charts as clean as you can. I'm just identifying as many patterns as I can, whether it's the diamond setup or diamond pattern or whether it's the cup and handle. Okay, I think these two patterns are like the most reliable. Yeah, so we'll stick to that for the time being. So we have sort of like a triangle for TSLL, but it doesn't mean much, okay? Because this triangle is a big triangle. It might go down a bit, it might push back up, or it might continue going down on the smaller time frame. So this one we got to watch closely on the smaller time frames. But for now, it looks like it's pushing down. I think we'll be able to see more when the market starts to open. Yeah, and then I'll put in my indicators. Excuse me. Okay, let's see where the market might fall down to. Okay, there's a door open like this. Okay, this is the market cycle 1, market cycle 2. So if this triangle breaks and it pushes bottom, we're looking for TSLL to go to around $10.50 to $11. I think that will be the estimate price for it to drop. Okay. So we shall see what happens first. I think Oracle is reaching the end of the market cycle, which is good.
Oracle back to 160.
Yeah. I'll just be a bit more selective on the stocks. This one, the door is open up. Now the door is open towards the downside. Therefore, it looks like it's going to head down a bit. Yeah, we've got to wait for a while. And also we have a little diamond pattern here. There's one over here that broke to the downside, and there's one more over here. That I am thinking that it should most likely head towards the downside. Okay, so let's see. And if you want to know how far it will drop on Meta, see if you have any potential trades, go to the 12 hours chart. Okay, we have a door here. Oh no. A bit hard to draw on these charts. 1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah, okay. So this is fine. Like this. So if meta breaks down, it'll probably go to 555. Let's see if there's any opportunities to. Oh yeah, okay, it already pushed down. But let's see if we can continue the move. It's pushing back up. What's Apple doing? Apple door is open towards the downside. Tesla is resisting the bottom. It's all sideways for now, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so it once it gapped down yesterday, and now it's moving in sideways. So it's a bit difficult to trade. I think Palante is towards the bottom already, almost there, 110 like that.
Yeah, 114. Palantir.
Ondas is pushing down, but Ondas is in a massive range, so unless this one pushes
holding.
down.
SoFi holding.
See SoFi. SoFi, remember I mentioned yesterday, it's in a triangle. Yeah, it's in a triangle, so the door is open. I'm expecting SoFi to push up today. Let's see if we can get some scalps from here to here until $18. Again, it's a small range. It's only 50 cents range. You go and have a look later.
Look, the market is dropping, and I mean, I'm okay.
Yeah, no, that's the best part. Huh? So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember yesterday I mentioned this is wave 1. This is wave 2. We're expecting a wave 3 towards the upside. How to get in is always the tricky part. We can always identify direction, or at least on my end, but to get the entry with a small stop loss, that is always a challenge. We're expecting all to start to push up right now. Amazon is at the bottom, is pushing up.
So it was what, fake out, and now it's gonna start pushing up?
It's not a fake out. This is the end of the market cycle. It's wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So it's a complete ABC. So it's time to go up right now. Yeah, it's just one cycle to another cycle. So the door is open towards the upside. We're expecting price to head up to about 238. The question is, how do we capitalize for this move? That's the tricky part, because market just open. It's difficult to get in, and it's risky to get in too quick. Because it's spiking everywhere. You don't know whether the move it's a stable move or not, but from where the price is expected to go, we know it's going here. And if it breaks past 239, we're expecting it to go to 242. This will be the sweet spot. I've mentioned this for SoFi also yesterday. This is our target. Remember, I wanted to catch here, but it didn't go up yesterday. And now it's making that move. We wanted to get an entry here, did not happen. Now it's only now it's making a move on the second try. And it's quite common that normally price will go up to market cycle 1 at the second try.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, as always I notice this is a second try, and this is a very good location. Let's see if we can break past 1830. If it breaks past this, then I'm expecting SoFi to maybe start to go for a breakout like what Hood did, So I think it's exciting, especially for you and maybe some of the users, highliners, for some of the users, who actually took our advice and went in on SoFi. IWM is always going up. Somehow, some way is really strong right now. Expected to go to 600 one more time. IB is a bit dangerous. It's still heading down. BMNR as well. BMNR is end of market cycle now, okay? So there's a chance that BMNR will start pushing back up.
BMNR paying me for now on the cover calls. I made.
That's good, it's fine. BMNR is just a matter of time.
I made over $100 today on BMNR cover calls.
Very nice.
Hey Linus.
Yeah, so this is pushing down. This is the diamond.
Iron holding. I mean, it's ranging kind of between 53 to 55, so it's not dropping. Otherwise, the market is trying to drop. Oh, SoFi trying to push through 18. This is very nice.
We're expecting iron to make a push up. Okay, but let's see. It's at the support area right now, at the trend line, at the left shoulder. So iron can either break down or it can go back up by in like a triangle form. So it's more or less. Hims, what's happening with Hims? Hims is trying to make another push up.
I wonder what you think
Robin
about. But I still have. I mean, I can't close it. Unfortunately, otherwise I'm gonna lose on the cover calls.
Which one?
RDW.
Okay, hold on. Luna looks like it's really heading down. Let's see if we can get a pattern around here. If I can get like a diamond or a cup and handle, I'm a bit more comfortable to go for a sell. Right now, it's just trend line to trend line. So there's not much room. Okay, so this one went up and came down. So this is a sell off, the diamond pattern sell off. I am actually, as I mentioned, we're still beta testing on the scalping, and I might want to add this diamond pattern. Yeah, because this diamond pattern, you see, Avi, example, you have a diamond pattern here.
You remember we had it in Palantir, this diamond pattern when it start falling?
Yes, we had it in Palantir, and also we had it
when we started working together. Yeah.
We had it in Google also. Look at this. This is the one that I wanted to take, but I did not take that day. And because of this diamond pattern here, okay, let me remove.
How we can profit on that?
That's the thing. Normally, after a diamond pattern, there's a huge sell-off. I want to further develop our scalping strategy, and I want to catch this big move down. So I'm in the midst of it. Because you see, like Google has this. What's the other one that we just saw? ASTS has this. It's exactly the same. Palantir had it also. The good that you remembered. So Palantir had one massive one when we first started. Remember?
Yes, back in February.
Over here.
And on the other Discord, I've been buying here. These guys don't know what they're doing.
So we need to find a way to capitalize on that massive move down.
Yeah.
Palantir is hitting the bottom. That's why I think people are trying to push, because it's cheap now. Technically, it's very cheap.
What do you mean? Yeah. What do you mean people trying to push?
Because Palantir, it's in the zone now. Okay, so this is basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a complex correction, and this is A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Palantir is probably, the down move is going to end soon. Should end soon. So you can see like people are starting to pick up the shares. So don't be surprised if Palantir starts going up next week onwards.
Had some also good news. They got some, contract and all that. So.
So yeah, we need to find a way to capitalize on those diamond patterns and even the cup and handles, because those are very obvious that we have determined direction. We just need to find a very good entry, so to keep our stop loss small. So in the event that it doesn't go, price don't go in our favor, we just cut our losses, so it's small loss. But if it does go in our favor, we have a good profit to make. Yeah, so I'll figure that one out. I'm in the midst of doing it now. Okay, let's see if we can find something today on the scalping side. Linus, if you just came in, today's session will probably be a short one, okay? So if any questions that you want to ask, please feel free to ask. Yeah, Oracle is the end of the market cycle already, as mentioned. So Oracle should also start push. If there's a door towards the upside, Oracle should start pushing towards the upside as well.
What's SPY doing? SPY pushing up? I think SPY pushing up.
Market is ranging now, Linus. It had a gap down, it's ranging, so it will either break out or you'll break down out of the range. So you just got to see where it breaks. Okay. So let's have a quick look and see if you can get any. Wait, let me close and open again. Hold on. Huh? Yeah, it's a bit slow. Hang in there. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen? How do you tell the ranging is towards bullish? The bigger picture, minus the bigger picture. So bigger picture, it's something like this. Okay. It's a massive diamond pattern like this. Okay. And where the price came from is from down. So majority of the time, if it's coming from down to up, have a diamond pattern, we're expecting the price to break up 70% of the time. But there's also a 30% of the time it will break down. So this basically it's a rally base and then it's a drop. So it can happen either way. So for now it's still ranging around here, but expectation is still towards the upside. Okay, let's go. Does iron have a diamond pattern? Hold on, I'll have to look at it later. Okay, AMD is pushing down. Okay, guys. Can I get a move on AMD? Let me see. We have a lot of support here. The door is open over here. AMD has got a range from 510 to 500. Okay. I'll just keep AMD. What was your question again? It's the iron. Okay, I'll come to that soon. Huh?
Maybe miss this move on AMD.
Come again? I lost you.
I'm saying we'll probably move this.
Hello?
Miss this AMD.
Oh, Avi,
yeah.
I think the line is no good.
No. I'm saying we probably missed this move on AMD, right? This push down.
We have to see because we don't need this move here, but we want to catch this move here. This is the nice move here. This move here now it's into a lot of support. So it's not a great setup because if you sell down here and trying to anticipate the move down, there's still a lot of support. So we need some sort of confirmation. So we leave that alone first. I expected Palantir to react around 110, but 113 is already reacting. But we shall see. Maybe it'll come back down. Microsoft. Ondas is pushing down quite heavy. Push down, push up. Can't really get in now. BMNR, there's a chance for it to go slightly lower, but it's towards the end of the market cycle, so we got to be careful on this. And BMNR also on the shorter time frame, there is a diamond pattern. Okay, let's see if there's any opportunity to get in. Push down, push up. Not the nicest. Not the nicest. Okay, we're expecting BMNR to come up here, find some sort of resistance and hit back down. Okay, never mind. We'll come back to this. I'll highlight this.
I think the
NVIDIA,
crypto
no.
probably is going down again. So
Yeah. IBIT is going down again. IBIT has the range to go down. Okay, let's see if we can catch something. This is actually quite nice for a scalp. Yeah, okay, IBIT is nicer. IBIT, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's already moving. Okay, let's see if we can get something on IBIT. Okay, ranging. Okay, Amazon is quite, this is what we expected. And on top of the door that opened, we talked about it yesterday, there's also a head and shoulders pattern. If I remove this, you can see left shoulder. So it became left shoulder, neckline, head, break of left shoulder become right shoulder. So this was expected. Hey, how you done? How are you, man?
I mean,
So far is pushing. So far is reaching 18. 18 is a strong the market cycle one. So most likely it's going to find some sort of resistance here. PMs is still down. Okay, food is breaking towards the downside. Okay, the pattern. We had a diamond pattern here as well. So what's happening with hood? Okay, nothing much yet. Okay, Luna, we already know that. ASTS is a very clean breakdown. ASTS is strong move down. MSTR, we have a potential as well. ASTS.
Hello, guys. How are you?
Hey, Dan. Good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm great. Now I can hear you.
Connection reestablished.
Okay, thank you. It's ranging. SpaceX is still trying to find its bottom. Cypher is pushing down. Core Weave is also another. Okay. I think iron is also quite similar in that sense. It had a very small diamond pattern. Okay. So it's a temporary move. I think it already moved already. So it pushed down, it break towards the downside. Yeah.
It looks like everything is moving down now.
Yeah. Okay, it's down. NBS. The market is not great today.
It's keeping from the last 2 days.
Yeah. Because as mentioned, if SPY breaks the diamond towards the downside, then it could be a massive fall coming soon. Okay, come, let's have a look now. By the way, Dan, today's session will be a short one, okay? It won't be a long one today.
All right. I'm here with you until the end.
Not spending time with your kids today?
They're here, but I'm at my sister's house, so they're in the pool now. So I have free time.
I see. Yeah, the rate
Tuesday
is
and
quite
Wednesday,
bad.
it's my problem days. It's hard to get inside.
I see. Okay. Yeah, market is a bit tough to trade for now. After a big move, we got to see if there's a continuation of the move or whether it's or there isn't. Okay, so STS has got we're expecting something like this. Okay, HIMS, there's nothing. I'm taking HIMS out. MSTR pushing one. MSTR has already made that move. Okay, we had push up, push down, push up, push down, and then it made the triangle, so it already moved. This would have been our entry for a quick one. So we don't have MSTR yet. Let's see if we get a second try on this. Okay, USAR. Okay, USAR, nothing is yet. So we deep down. Iron, nothing.
How about Microsoft? It looked like it got up. It's like a big candle over them.
I'm still
Something about the
expecting.
news on Microsoft today.
I'm still expecting the market to push up a bit. Let me check on SPY one more time. Yeah, because SPY is not. It's still ranging. You see, it's a diamond pattern on a bigger time frame. It's ranging right now after the gap down. So bulls and bears are fighting right now, whether to go up or to go down. So this is the range that we don't really want to trade in right now. Okay, we want it to either start trending up or trending down, and then we can take advantage of the market. But if the market is trading like this, then you just got to be careful a bit. It's a bit risky because you wouldn't know where the market is actually going. So Ondas also is going down. Let me see Ondas on a bigger time frame. Okay, Ondas is fine. It's ranging around here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's a massive wave 2 or wave 4 range. It's still okay. It's fine. This is going to take a bit more time to climb back up. AMD pushed down right at market cycle 2 and it just went poop. Instant rejection, so no chance. I'm taking this out.
I mean,
You saw
probably
that, right?
if someone would try like to done put there.
Yeah, correct. I think they really capitalized on everybody was trying to sell that down. But we knew as a market cycle that was going to end there. There's always a challenge. And same like Amazon, we covered this yesterday, end of market cycle and start to push up. We are at market cycle 1 now, so I wouldn't take any buy trade around here. That's a mistake. Very dangerous. Same as SoFi, I expected it to go to $18. We spoke about it yesterday. The question is, can it break past 18.30 and go up to 19? Okay, so guys, I think if anybody took SoFi, you would definitely be in profit right now. Avi, you got filled on SoFi, correct?
I have 2 filled on 18, yeah.
You're muted.
I have 2 filled on 18.
18, oh yeah.
But I have a
Cover
bunch
calls
of
at 20, correct?
No, my cover calls for 20, and I have a bunch of cash secure puts on SoFi.
Nice. I think you'll probably realize quite a bit today.
Yeah.
I have also SoFi as well.
Yeah, Idan, you have on SoFi as well, right?
Yeah, but he have
Yeah, let's
16
see.
with the cover. I think cover calls 16. So I mean, it's probably it would
Oh,
be sold. So it just like
I,
will be made on the premium.
premiums, the premium. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's okay. Okay, it's a good start at
I
least.
have a, no, that's the one that you're talking about is the SoFi. It's
Yeah.
not the SoFi. There's a one call 16. That's what you, and I have another one on 20.
That's good.
SoFi
I
call
mean,
20. It's around
okay.
22% now.
Are
Only
you up
1%.
22%?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's only until July 2nd. So this is have some time. I lost connection.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh, yeah, no, I hear you. Okay.
Okay, I'm just paying attention now. Hold on.
Mm.
This was a nice one, but I think that's gone already. USAR. Iron is too far away. RTW.
The spy is jumpy today, like up and down,
Still ranging, still ranging.
crazy.
It's what is the term? It's bumpy.
Bumpy, yeah.
Bumpy.
Like 0.4% up, down, up, down.
Yeah, I think this guy said so we're gonna get some turbulence during this period of time until maybe around October when we're gonna have end of the year rally.
Until of October, wow, that's a long time.
Not really. I mean, it's like end of like July, August, like 3 months. I mean, the market cannot like like keep climbing.
Why not? We need money.
Yeah.
That's true.
Everybody in the market wants to earn something, so
All right.
stop selling.
That's not how the market working. But they do have some. I mean, I think master strategy like below 100. If I had, I would buy.
Yeah, Master Strategy is pushing down. There was an entry here, but we're a bit late to the party. It's around here. Can't get in now.
It's good for Cassicro puts maybe.
Let me see where it ends. If it ends far, then no. If it's almost towards the end, then it's okay. We have one here.
I don't have capital. It's just...
Yeah, $900 is the ending of the market cycle. There's no door that's open. That's the scary part. If no door that's open means there's a chance that it will go even further down for now. So let's see where else it would go to. 12 minutes chart. Okay, there's a door that's open here. So yeah, this is $100 is an important mark for MSTR. If that area is not respected, then it's probably going to go down to about $80.
I see.
Yeah, so if it breaks past $98, then it's most likely going to start going down a bit more. Did I draw the diamond correctly? No, that's not a diamond. That's not a diamond like this. Diamond has got some sort of manipulation. I'll show you in a while, okay? So master strategy is at the bottom. A bit difficult to get in on the trade. It's right at market cycle 1. And same goes for what is this? ASTS as well, right into market cycle 1. So I'm not going to sell into support. It's a bit risky. As mentioned just now, even yesterday, we're expecting SoFi to come up to $18. It didn't go up the first time. It came for the second time, but the resistance is here, so we got to respect the area. It's currently already rejecting, so
And lost.
yeah. This one as well now, Amazon is in market resistance 1, market cycle 1. We don't want to fight against. Let's see IBIT. Do you have anything on IBIT? There's nothing for us on IBIT for now. If IBIT makes a pullback, probably we can try to get in. Is there a area that we can capitalize on IBIT on its way down? Okay, the door is open here. Even a very small range, so it's not a nice one as well. Partly it's because market is ranging, so it makes the trend following strategy a bit tough. But you take from zone to zone, then it's nice. ASTS looks nice for a sell, okay, guys, but I'm just a bit concerned we're selling into a support. I think for now, today, our setup, like master strategy came too early. So we won't be able to get master strategy on this one. This was the pattern they are looking for. The entry would have been here at this candle. Okay, so we won't be able to get master strategy. ASTS is coming. Unfortunately, it's at the support, okay, which makes this a bit concerning for us to get in. Okay, but I will just put an alert here.
Morning, I will go gym.
And let's see how this one
I
goes.
make appointment for laser my
Yeah, it's a
underarm.
massive support down here. So, but we have
Tomorrow
$5 gap. We have a $5 range for ASTS.
In the afternoon.
Because on the bigger picture, we have
3
support
p.m.
around here. And we have another support here. So it's 65 and yeah, so we've got like a $3-4 range. In times 4, 30, 30, and 1. Okay, I might try to get in on ASTS, okay, guys, but that's just on me. I wouldn't want to recommend this trade to you all because we are selling into support. So I'm actually still thinking on the bigger picture, we have a small gap, okay, but I'm not sure. So this is how much now? What's its current price? Current price is 68, sorry. Yeah, 68. We have until 65 and about 63. We have a small range to play with, okay? But let's see. And then this comes after a diamond setup, so we're currently still beta testing. But I think moving forward, we've got many of these setups where we have a diamond setup like this. And each time it breaks the diamond, it falls. So we have this one today on ASTS. We had, was it Amazon or Google? I think it was Google. We had Google the other day, okay, on Monday. After the diamond pattern, you had a breakout zoom. So I might add this into our scalping. So each time I identify a diamond pattern, let's see if we can get a strong move or not. Palante, we had one long time ago when we first started. So yeah, it is rejecting market cycle 1. Okay, so this 1 times 4. Or you have an extreme. Mm. 15 you have this, 30 you have that. Okay. So far is rejecting market cycle 1. Master strategy is going to try to break 98 and go further down. This is a bit too high. This triangle is not nice. This is not too bad. Where it's its range at the bottom. RDW has got a small range. Okay, so we won't take RDW. ASDS still has a decent range. Yeah, so iron, they had a diamond here, okay, and then it broke, just like this. So yeah, Linus, okay, I'm going to explain the diamond pattern. Are you there? Okay, so basically how the diamond pattern works is like this, okay? Yeah, I use an open chart. So basically price will go like this, okay? Make a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Example, now it makes a higher high, and then it makes a higher low, okay? And then it makes a, then it's in this range now, it goes sideways. So basically that's how you have the diamond. The diamond is like this, okay? And then at this trend line, this is when we expect the break. If it's coming from up to down, we're expecting the market to continue pushing down. So this is actually a very, very good place to get in on the trade, okay? So this is what I'm trying to do moving forward. So I'm still in beta testing, so let me see what else I can add to it. So this is one scenario. So basically, the price has to go like lower low, lower high, lower low, then it makes a higher high, and then sometimes it can make a lower low, okay? So after it makes a lower low again, then it can make a example a lower high, and then it goes like this, and then you already have a so-called like a diamond pattern. Like this. And so at this point now, we are looking for the break towards the downside, okay? Like that. So if I know it's a bit complicated, but you can try drawing and see after I've explained, and if it's correct, then I'll let you know. So diamond patterns are actually very good for a sell-off. Okay, so moving forward, since like you guys have been following us since we started, if we can start capitalizing on these kind of moves, I think it will be brilliant for us to get in and get out quick, okay? Like even iron had one. The minute it broke, poops. RDW is the head and shoulders, okay? Head and shoulders, left shoulder, right shoulder, it pushed up. This we expected this move. IBIT is just a pole, flag pole, and it's pushing down. Let's see where is IBIT's bottom. IBIT a very small range lah. Bit difficult. We won't touch IBIT for now.
Yeah, it's too small.
Yeah, I think now I have to really look at ranges, so we know exactly how much we can get if we get into the trade. You know.
Yeah.
If there's no range, then no point. Like you see so far, if you want to buy, like this was a good area on the right shoulder. But the reason why I don't take this kind of trades is because your stop loss is all the way down.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't like this kind of trades. I rather get on the breakout where we're expecting a quick move. So when we scalp in and scalp out, it's quick, it's clean, and if it goes against us, we get out quick, So that's the idea. We don't want it to consolidate, then from 5-minute trade it becomes an hour trade. From an hour trade it becomes 5 hours trade, then it becomes overnight
No,
trade,
no,
and
that's not a
that
good
is
idea.
very stressful.
Yeah.
So we don't want to do that.
Yeah.
That's the whole reason why we develop this strategy, is to make sure that we don't get in those positions. It's not nice.
Yeah.
It's very tiring mentally as well and emotionally. We have some sort of higher low, but we're not having a triangle yet. But we are at the resistance, okay? So we are at the resistance. I'm not going to take this risk, okay? Because the range is also very small for SoFi. SoFi is in a triangle range, so it's a very high chance that you'll reject this top. Very high chance. If it breaks out, then we've got to make sure it breaks above 19 or at around $20. If it breaks past $20, I think all your capital gains, you would realize most of them. Okay, so we're still waiting for ASTS to make a push down. I think that's so far the only setup that I have. On this, where are we now? On this, we are here into a massive support, so stay away. We're not going to try. BMNR expected just now. I drew this. It probably will come back here and come back down. So this is a pullback trade. A bit more hesitant to take this. Okay, so maybe in the future, but I'm still thinking about it. This pullback trade is quite, like, how you say this. There was a nice resistance and supply here. So as the price push down, push up, push down, we're expecting price to reject and come back down. But we wouldn't know how strong the move would be. Okay, so it probably be just a quick scalp. But I can see something developing on BMNR for a sell. So it's push up, push down, push up, push down. Okay, it's ranging around here. Okay, so the moves are also not so clean. The good thing about BMNR, it broke out from a small little diamond as well. Okay, let me see a check. Yes, so iron is trending now down now. Let me check on iron again. For now, yes, for now. But this move doesn't mean it's going to just continuously push down, okay? If we can find a bottom, okay, let's see where it might find a bottom for iron. So iron, it went up here. The door is open here. Oh yeah, so iron's move will probably be until like $50. ASTS, what's happening? Do I get an entry? Okay. Okay, I am still monitoring this. So far, it's good because it's making lower highs. Okay, so it's lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. So that means the selling pressure for ASTS is quite strong for now. Okay, it's consolidating. I'll put an alert here, because if it goes past this, if I'm in the trade, then I'll get out. Okay, small range from 68, maybe about $68, all the way up to 69. So it's a $1 range. For the taking profit, we have a range until about 60. I will target 66, okay? 65 to 66 if you get in on this. But let's see if the selling pressure is going to continue or not. We have a lot of plus points in the sense that it's coming from a diamond, so you know the sell-off is here. It's below the bottom part of the diamond, so it's showing that its selling pressure is still strong. There's also a range on the bigger time frame, which is until at the bottom of the support here, which is about $65, $64, $63, $65. Okay. The whole market cycle 1 is quite big, so we still have a range. So let's see if we can capitalize on this today. You know?
STS
Yeah.
puts
Yeah. Puts.
until where?
Come again?
Until where?
Target about 65 to 66. But I'll go with the flow of the market. But I haven't entered yet. I wanted to break my green line here, so I know that the push is a bit more solid. So break past this and close below is something that I will consider. So for now, I'm just looking. Because the momentum towards the downside is still weak on this. But on the candle, it's making lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, which is good. But let's see if we can have a push down. If there's no push down, then we don't take the trade.
Guys, thank you. It was a pleasure to see you again.
No problem, Idan. You making a move already?
No, nothing today. Yeah, but I'm going to be with the kids. They're crazy outside. I hear them screaming.
Okay. Can catch you again, man.
Thank you very much, Ashwin.
No problem.
See you,
Cheers. That's for
Cheers,
you.
cheers. See you.
Enjoy. Hey man, pushing or no?
Okay, now it broke past the green line, so I will take a trade in right now, okay? Towards the downside, so this is going to be a put.
What strike?
I'm taking a cheap one. Hold on. The one that I'm taking would probably be
Oh, you need to
60 $60.
Yeah, I mean you need to prepare on this before. But
No, but this
careful
one I'm
now.
taking big.
It's pushing back, no?
Yeah, it's pushing back, but it's okay. Because it already fulfilled the rule, so
Okay.
I will just go with the trading plan for now. Okay, so I'm in. So my stop loss will be at this point here, at this high. And I'm expecting price to at least trade to the bottom, at least until here. Wait, hold on.
Until
So
the
let's see
yellow,
how it
like
goes.
67,
Yeah, so
60.
No. Wait, let me redraw this again. So in terms of extensions, we are expecting price to go until about 67 at least.
Okay.
Okay, so we monitor on the 2-minute chart and see how it goes.
Okay, let's go.
Hopefully, give us a good range until about 65 would be nice. Well, our market is red, man. Market is red.
Red?
Massive red.
Yeah.
Okay, it's pushing down a bit, that's good. Let's see if we can push down 67, 79. And then I'll put one more at $67 around here. So ultimately, from this push down, we're looking for price to go down until market cycle 1, which is about $65. Okay, we're looking for price to go down until $65. So let's see if it hits down or not. Because the move is quite slow, not gonna lie. We're just going with the market momentum, the market direction for now. So let's see if it breaks down. This is our stop loss over here. Let me put a red color dotted line. If it trades past this, I'm out. I'll put my alert slightly lower.
SpaceX will join the Nasdaq on July 6.
Okay, it's pushing up. It's rejecting this low BB, which is not too great for us, but we shall see if this selling pressure holds up.
The market really undecided market.
Because it's sideways, so it's a bit of a struggle to
Yeah.
to find a continuous momentum push.
I mean,
But it's okay,
stock pushing down, going back up. I mean, SoFi
Yeah.
above 18 again. Tesla ranging between 380 to 384.
Okay, SDS pushing up for now. Okay, let's see if we can make a move down. This is the whole triangle. The wedge now pushing down. Let's see. As long as it doesn't trade past this, I'm good. If it trades past that, then I have to get out already. Okay, I don't understand. Why am I... Oh, okay. It's making a very quick push up. Let's see if we can hold past this price. Not looking good for now. So far, it's trying to make a push up now. Now it looks like it's trying to break. I'll just put an alert here and see. Okay, ASDF, it's not looking great now for us. It's pushing back up. Let's see if we can find a move down.
כי הם דיברו עליהם מלוכלך, עניתי להם מלוכלך. למה אתם מלכלכים על ביבי מבוגר בן 76? למה אתם מלכלכים על ביבי? למה הוא בן 76? למה? למה ללכלך? כי הם דיברו עליהם מלוכלך, עניתי להם מלוכלך.
בואו נדבר בלי פילטרים. על תפיסת הביטחון. איך אפשר להכריע? איך אפשר לייצר הרתעה אמיתית? ואיך הופכים את ישראל למעצמה אזורית?
I'm down 14%.
If you're a travel agent who wants to earn more, here's the secret to unlocking some of the highest commissions on the bookings you're already making. I joined the Get Your Guide affiliate program, and now I have access to 150,000 highly rated experiences. I'm earning
This is a World Cup.
Still holding.
For now, yeah, it still haven't broke 69.07, 69.09, 69.09. Yeah, I'm still holding.
Okay.
Haven't broken this part yet, so it's fine. I was just about to close. If it just trade like 1 cent above, that means it shows weakness, and I'm not going to be bothered to hold.
I got you.
So let's see if we can continue going down, because the break is very slow, and now it's making an ABC. So if one more push up, I'm 100% I'm out of the trade. I'll take a small loss, and that's about it. This kind of break would have been nicer. Unfortunately, we didn't have it for STS. Let's see, you can continue the move towards the downside. Yeah, if it's making a pushback up, I'm definitely out of the trade.
SPY look like pushing a little up, but not too much.
It's still in a massive range for now, which is this range, the gap down range. So yeah, that's the reason the market is very difficult to trade now. Yeah, you can trade, like example like SoFi, like we know it's from here to here. That's about it. You're not going to try to get anything past that. Same for Amazon, from here to here. That's it. I don't think we want to try to push our luck to go further than that. Yeah. Yeah, so I don't think ASD is looking good. If reject once, it's coming up for a second push. So if there's no rejection here, then most likely it's going to break up. And even if it goes down after that, I'm still out of the trade. Doesn't matter, because the momentum can show that momentum towards the downside has weakened. So even if we profit, the move might not be strong. So let's see what happens. Can we get a little double top here? No? I think that would be a first sign that we have half a chance of the price going down. Tomorrow is the last trading day of the week. Tomorrow is Thursday. Why is it the last trading day? It's Friday and holiday?
I don't see any holiday on Friday. No, I think we have Friday as well.
Last week we had until Thursday. Yeah, but I think this Friday the market's open.
Yeah.
No, okay, I think I got to get out of ASTS. Trade. Market. Okay, let's see. This candle will say. If there's a rejection, fine, you keep one time. If it's a push up, then we are getting out. 40 seconds left. Okay, I'm getting out of the trade for now. 21. Okay, so I got out of the trade, took a loss. Tech sell-off this week, overall S&P is in the green. SoFi pushed up. So I took 6 out of 27 would be. Yeah, I took a 22% loss today on the contract. So far, it's breaking out of this. It's a bit risky, lah.
No, I would not do now, SoFi.
Yeah, SoFi has a nice setup, lah. The same style. You have a nice triangle. Breakout is a bit stronger than the
You
one
can do
on
swing
ASTS.
if you think, but I don't want
Yeah.
scalp.
No, it's a bit risky because we are right at the top, and the worst part is the top. We have a resistance, and then we have a triangle trend line, so it's a very high risk. ASTS was a lower risk, but unfortunately, it bounced off the bottom. So one of those things, no chance for follow through. So ASTS, we will KIV this. I'll put one at the bottom. So yeah, I think for now there's nothing on my end. I'm just monitoring SoFi. Market is starting to push up again.
But I would not do any. I mean, otherwise you.
No.
I don't think
A bit
SoFi
risky.
will push too high.
Yeah. it's
Maybe
rejecting the
18 and a
bottom.
half, and it's almost there. I would not test. No. Yeah, it took
I'll
all,
just put one more.
market took all the money from all those people who
Yeah.
were trying to go short, and now it's pushing up.
Including myself.
Yeah.
Only this one, the BMNR today was, but I didn't take this trade. It's a pullback trade. How did I do this again? So it's push down, push. So it's EL4, EL5, and rejection. Rejection happened here. Pull. This candle. Okay. Small range, very small range. Okay, there's nothing much from my end. Only master strategy was a good one. Okay, see you, Linus. Have a good day, man. Bye-bye.
See you, man.
Need to string up some wins, man. I can't keep taking losses like that. I need to find a way to catch these kind of moves right at the tip. Instead of catching the bottom, I need to find a way to catch this one. Today was Google. Let me see. It's a down move. Where was the one today? My STS. Push down, push up. We have one move down, one move down. Give me a while, Avi. Be right back.
Okay. I'm gonna get a drink.
Avi, we record in like 5 minutes time?
Yeah, I will buy a soda and in 5 minutes I need.
Sure.
We'll be ready.
Sure.
Okay.
Let me just do some research on this. Then
Okay.
by the time
Yeah,
while you buy.
Yeah.
Okay. Scalps collection. Impulse collection. Respect the lineage.
I think.
Hmm.
I think. I mean, I looking from the side. I mean, you know, the move.
Okay.
They have like one straight line. I mean, that's probably. I don't know. I mean, I'm not technical.
No, it's
guys,
okay
but
because no, you don't have to
see,
be
look,
technical because
1, 2,
sometimes
3 lines. I mean, you took the trade after this third line. I don't know.
no, it's okay because you don't have to be technical because sometimes you can see what I cannot see. You know, I always ask Adriana to see for me sometimes what I cannot see because when I'm so used to looking at charts, I will look at different things compared to you are not used to looking at charts, so you see things that I don't see. Okay, but what I want to explain to you is, and you can help me try to figure what you see different. Okay, I will use indicators for this so we can always be consistent. We don't always have to I think what I see rather than I actually do what I'm actually looking at, you know. So let me remove everything. I'm still looking for a trade on this. I'm not done with this yet. Okay, if it comes back for a second push, I might try to get in one more time because sometimes it does happen that way.
You're not
but we shall
using
see.
volume. I wonder. I mean, you can check if the volume is like the red
No,
is
it's okay.
higher. I mean,
I don't want to have volume as another variable for now because in trading currencies there is no volume because it's a cross pair.
yeah, but
So
maybe
even
whatever worked for currency is not working for stock.
so it's okay. It's okay. Let's not get into that first. I will put that out of the way because the minute we add another variable, it takes me at least another 2, 3, 4 weeks to recount everything, recalibrate everything.
Okay.
So I don't want to get into that for now. For now, patterns or a sell off everything. It's from a price consolidation, a pattern that we can see. So what I want you to have a look is this is the diamond. Okay. So one thing I notice now is there's a midpoint in a diamond, which is look at left side. So we have a touch here, a touch here. So I'll just put a horizontal line. 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touch, and a breakout. Zoom. Okay. So example, I go back to Google.
How many was it?
Same
5?
thing. This will be 2 on the left. Then they have the one that goes past. Then 2 on the right, and the 5th one broke. Okay. Google's one is like this. We have around 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touches. And this one did not have a touch on the right, but it broke 1, 2, broke strongly, and then gone. Okay. So the one thing that I can see.
Can you go to Palantir?
Palantir. Okay, so Palantir is like this. This is the diamond. We've got multiple touches here. Let me go on the higher time frame. Okay.
No, but you need to go from on the frame that you take in the
Yeah,
you. So why can we take the trade while the diamond is breaking? I mean, worst case are the stop loss. It's near the diamond.
You wouldn't know where it breaks sometimes. Sometimes you think it breaks here, but then it pulls back. And this pullback is enough to kill you. And then it breaks
But
back,
that's
and
not the
sometimes the
diamond. Oh, that's
diamond breakout happens here at this point. So sometimes it's hard to gauge exactly when it will break out.
but
So
but you're saying it can break here, but here it's not the diamond. Oh,
Come
it's
again?
also can be the diamond. But I
Yeah,
mean, this line it's inside the diamond, no?
It's always inside, right? Because when you have a diamond, the left part is inside, and then this is the part that goes around it. But this is
1, 2, 3, 4.
yeah.
1.
So you have multiple touches. Example on the left, you got 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touches, 4 touches, and this is the one that broke out. Okay. This one, because I'm looking at this, I'm still trying to figure out. We have multiple
But that's
touches
at
here.
12 hours. That's kind of.
Doesn't matter the time frame. The
No, it
pattern
is.
exists.
I mean, it's matter. I mean, for scalp, you cannot scalp on 12 hours,
No.
right?
Forget it. No. Hear me out. This one you just got to work with me on this, okay? Because patterns happen whether it's on a 1 minute, whether it's a 1 hour, whether it's a 10 hours. I'm not saying that we're going to take this trade on the 12-hour chart. Don't get me wrong. What I'm trying to identify is what is the pattern, the repetition that we see on the actual patterns that is showing the same similarities, like 3 out of 5, 4 out of 6, that we can identify this, and then it will make a repeat of what it might happen on a higher frequency. For example, the cup and handle, we know the breakout is after the handle, okay? So the diamond pattern, the breakout is always at the bottom left. It's either this one or this one. So I'm always trying to catch the breakout, but sometimes you wouldn't know whether is this a real breakout, is this a real breakout, but this is a real breakout. That's the struggle that I am having now. Forget about the time frame, it's not important, okay? I'm not taking trades now with you. I'm looking at patterns and seeing if there's anything that you can see that is similar. So example, ASTS, okay? On the left, 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4, broke out, gone, okay? Then you have Google, okay? Forget about the time frames again, okay? You have 1 touch, 2 touch, only on the left. You have a base on the right. You have a consolidation, and then we have a breakout. But here we had the triangle pattern, okay? The one that is what we trade. So we actually have it here, and then the breakout came, and then it flew. ASTS, on this other hand, they had the channel breakout like this. And then when it overshot, then it went down. So I'm trying to see if there's any way I can gauge that the breakout is going to happen. And let's say if I go to Palante back then, okay, so at the breakout, it was at this point. There was a breakout here, and this thing broke out, and then it flew a bit, okay? So from what I'm seeing now, there's always a pattern breakout, which is either a triangle towards the real breakout that's coming. But I have to backtest a bit more. And the location that we look for is all the bottoms, all these touches. We find the line with the maximum touches, and here we have one more. So the minute it breaks out of that horizontal line with the multiple touches, and also there's a pattern, then I think it gives us a higher percentage to profit from the trade. So example, you have touches here, you can put this one out, and then there was a pattern breakout, it moved. And then we had ASTS, for example, just now, we had multiple touches, and then we had a pattern breakout, but this breakout is from the top. This is not exactly this is more of a channel overshot. Let's see if you go to the smaller time frame. Is there any flag? There is one over here, but a very weak one. It's a bit difficult to catch this. But anyway, I'll figure it out, man. But besides anything, do you see any particular, any similarities in terms of pattern recognition? Are you there?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm looking. It's break very hard, that's what I see, but...
This one here.
Yeah, but if we can catch it on top,
No, we don't try to catch on top. Because on top, there will be many fake outs. For example, if we won't know this is the top. Sometimes it might come like this, and then it might just break out like this. So diamond pattern completes after the price. Okay, the price trying to go up, but it gave up. Okay, so it gave up, then it comes back down, then it consolidates around here, and then it gives you a clear direction on the breakout.
a diamond,
So because you
diamond
never-
can break also to the top, or it's always to the bottom?
Both.
Both.
It can go, like example, SPY right now. This is exactly what we are seeing now, okay? Exactly on SPY, but this is on the 12 hours or the 8 hours chart or whatever. Like, it doesn't really matter. That's why I say forget about the time frame. So now, like this, okay? So this is what's happening with SPY right now. Let me remove everything. We are currently ranging. Okay, we are expecting the price to break upwards. So let me draw the diamond on the bigger range, okay? So this, for a sell, we find the bottom touches on the left. So basically this is the touches here. Okay. Remember like what we saw on, can you remember this touch? Similar like what you saw on, for example, on
STS?
Google. Okay, yeah? And also ASTS. So I'm taking the two left touches at the bottom. Inside the diamond, I'm finding for the left touch, the bottom first. So 1, 2, I mark. Then you have Google. Google have 1, 2, 3, I marked. And now the example SPY on a higher time frame. I found at the bottom, okay, within the diamond, 1, 2, and I marked it, okay? So example, if price wants to break down from what we saw in the previous diamonds, it has to have a pattern, has to break this one strong and continue going down. If it breaks down. So if it breaks up, you look for the left touches on the top. So let's see where are the touches on the top. So touches on the top will be around, there's one touch only, one touch here, and multiple touches here, okay? So now looks like SPY is trying to break out of this range and trying to go towards the top, okay? So I'm expecting like a pole and then like a triangle like that just now, and then a strong breakout for the price. So far it's actually pushing up now, hold on.
Whoa, so far.
Yeah.
Stand up SOFI will push into today to 20.
It's still a big push lah. I'm so tempted to get in, but it's a nice pattern again.
I mean, I'm not recommend, but
yeah, I know. I'm also thinking whether I want to or not, because I keep getting this is a similar kind of move that got me on ASTS where the momentum died. Yeah, because if it was like MSTR kind of momentum where it broke out strong, like one candle like this, then it's nice. You know the momentum is going to flow. But so far it's also giving me the same kind of vibe that ASTS gave just now. Unless it breaks with a momentum candle, then maybe I'll consider. If not, then I wouldn't. But it's tight lah, it's tight. Because this is a market cycle, but we're expecting it to go up to until 19 if it breaks. But then we have a resistance here as well, so alright, I'll just see what is SoFi showing right now. It's cheap lah, it's very cheap. It's only $18-19 and the spread is small. Let me see. Okay, I'm going to take one trade on this. And my only reason is because it's breaking out of the 188. So I'm expecting it to go to 19. So if it doesn't work out, then it's fine. I need to forward test also. If not, I will never get the confidence to do it. So that will be my entry point. High, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. This will be my stop loss. So I will remove this. I will have my stop loss notified with the other, and I would see where would my take profit be. I have two take profits. One would be at this top, 1870 high. One more will be the market cycle at 19. Okay, let's see if the move is going to continue or not. Okay, meantime, I can record the video, it's fine because I've got the alerts, I'm not too concerned about it. The only difference is for ASTS, there was no momentum candle on the 2 minutes and 1 minute. Okay. So far, I'm getting in purely because of the momentum candle. And if momentum dies, it's just one of those things. I'm just gonna go with it. I have a nice setup like this, come down, I've got a flag. So let's see if I'm constantly making higher highs, higher lows, sorry. So let's see if the momentum can push through or not. I've got a good range for the market cycle. Market cycle has a good range past 188. So it passed 188, good range to go up to 2618. So far it broke past 188. That's my other reasoning for me to go in. I'm not trading towards inside, I'm trading outside of it. So let's see. If it continues pushing up, then it's good. Okay. I'll put an alert here, one more, just in case it drops, then I know. Okay, what are the tickers today we would want to do? SPY, BMN.
Tickers today.
Honest, I'm not too confident on this, but I'm just gonna go for it for now.
SPY BMNR, Master TE, Ondus, Fly, AMPX.
Okay. Okay.
Need to put yourself down and the
Yeah. Okay. Let me just do a quick look on SoFi. Is the momentum dying? Yeah, I think I'm gonna get screwed on this one. Let's see if this one holds. If this one doesn't hold, then I think I'm gonna lose this trade.
you think it's gonna go like past like to 19 towards today?
Honestly, if I were to think, I think I will lose this trade. Okay, but because I'm selling at the top, I'm buying at the top. Okay, but I'm just going with the pattern as the momentum is following and just see if this one works out because I want to live test and this is a very cheap contract. It's like $18, $19. I have to get my hands dirty. If I don't commit to it, then it's a bit difficult. I will never be able to move to the next step. You know.
I got you.
Yeah, so it's a small loss if I were to take a loss, but if I were to profit, I have a good range. So risk to reward, I will take it. It's fine. I just have to figure out how do I profit from a nice diamond pattern that I can foresee it coming, but I need to know exactly when to get in on that major move that we expect it coming. Okay, so that's my challenge for now. If I can sort that shit out, then I think we are okay. So I just have to constantly look for diamond patterns, wait for the break, and just get in. You know.
I got you.
Yeah. Okay. Wait. Just give me one more minute. Let me drink some water.
Yeah, no problem. Take your time.
we're going to start with SPY. Okay, just hold on. Because so far it looks like it's coming down pretty quickly. If not, then I can at least cut the trade. If it close below this, then it's bad. It's a bad sign already. I'll put so far here.